Char Tone Brown saying, hi, Brad, can I apply for my 18-year-old? His parents are still responsible for him. He's a student. His siblings are younger. We're planning to theirs as well. Well, I assume you can apply. Apply for what? Are you saying apply for a green card? I'm not sure what you're applying for, Shar, so I need more information. A visa, my apologies. I mean, yeah, you can certainly try. What's the worst that'll happen? They'll say either yes or no. And hold, hi, Brad, my wife made 2021, 32,000, 2022, 12,000, 2023, 31K. Would I still need a co-sponsor? Am I good to go? It's counselor processing. Depends on how many people your wife has dependent on her tax return. If she's just alone and it's just you and her, that should be good enough. Stephen Neitz, hey, Brad, my friend crossed the border by mistake and his case is still pending in immigration court. What can he do? I guess from the United States to Canada, didn't realize and was coming back, I presume. I would need to know a lot more about that, Stephen. J Love, hello, Brad. What happens if my U.S. citizen husband passes away before I file for my green card during my green card process? Or what if I pass away during or before the green card process? Well, if your U.S. citizen husband passes away and he's already filed for you, the case converts to a widow petition. If he hasn't filed for you already, then you have 2 years in which to file a widow petition. If you pass away, well, then that's the end of the case. There's no other person that's included on your case other than your U.S. citizen filed for you. There is no other case if you pass away, and let's hope that doesn't happen. Andrew Lopez, hi, I got a green card from VAWA. When can I apply for citizen? After 3 years or 5? My ex-wife was a green card holder. Then it's going to be 5. If you got a green card through VAWA based on marriage to a U.S. citizen, then it would have been 3. Brad, I had TPS, and unfortunately I traveled to Haiti without a travel authorization because I had an interview at the U.S. Embassy in Haiti. It was for F4. I aged out. Is there a way I can come back? Cliff, you got big problems. The only way you're going to come back is through humanitarian parole, so you're going to need to apply for that immediately. And Sonny, if I want you to look at my case, make it stronger, can you do that? I can make it stronger, Sonny. I can. My son did an I-130, I-485 concurrently, but I was told my evidence may not be strong enough since his mom and I divorced in 2011. As long as he's your son and you had a relationship with him before 18, doesn't matter if you got divorced from the mother. But Sonny, you can certainly call me and we can certainly look into it. Khan Quash saying, hello, sir. I got my green card and my travel documents based on adjustment of status. I'm from Pakistan. I have not seen my family for 5 years. Can I travel to Afghanistan? It's a neighbor country. I will not be in trouble coming back. I guess asylum. I guess that's what you're saying. Yes, you can go to Afghanistan. That's perfectly okay. Real Zemo, can you break down the R-1 visa requirements? Yes, you have to be a religious worker. You have to dedicate your life to your religious work. You have to be working full-time for 2 years in the religious occupation prior to your sponsorship. You have to show you've been specially trained for your religious work, and you have to be sponsored by a non-for-profit religious organization. Veriz B004. My dad applied for my brother and sister's I-130. Is there a way to expedite the process? You could always request based on humanitarian reasons, but it is very difficult. Special shift. Can I get married on the visit visa? If yes, then after how many years can I get the green card or citizenship? You can get married on a visitor's visa. Make sure you come here for purposes of visiting. You wait 90 days. You then get married. Then you file your adjustment. Then you get your green card. Then you got to wait 3 years for your citizenship. But once you get your green card, if you join the military and you want to become a citizen quicker, that would be the quickest way to do it. And Boris Manuel 3. Greetings, sir. I have a degree in animal production technology. Very impressive. A certification in project management and 5 years as a production coordinator. Do you have anything for me? Do I have what for you? How to get a green card, how to get a work visa. It starts with finding an employer. Then contact me. Armand, what's the chance of my mother-in-law to get a visa after being refused twice? Probably will be refused a third time. You know what Einstein said? Do the same thing over and over and over again, expect a different result. It's the definition of insanity. Olawafimi, can I come to the United States, get married after 90 days, file adjustment, and leave the country while waiting for the decision? You can get married, file an adjustment, but if you leave without advance parole, that's the end of your adjustment status case and your visa is no longer valid, so you're going to have a hard time coming back. Par 7H. One of my family friends owns a motel. Can they sponsor me for a work visa? Depends what skills you have, but maybe, yeah, why not? And one last question. I have a tourist visa, and the second time I'm visiting, they revoked it. without any explanation. It happened in Alexandria Bay border crossing. There's a reason why they rejected it. We have to do what's called a Customs and Border Patrol Freedom of Information Act request, and that will give us the answers to why you were turned down, why it was revoked at the border, and then we'll figure out how to fix it.